Abu Simbel, and now we're here in this place. Look at it. We had to drive 3 hours from the boat to here. And so yeah. Now we're back to the video and we're gonna go in the tomb now. You guys missed a lot of information about the small and big tomb. Let's see what we can find now. Let's go in. Look at it. I'm trying to look. Look at the things. Look. That is what he was talking about. Let's go from the other angle. Look at it. Him with his 2 horses. Him with his 2 horses, and he was a very good fighter, but at a certain time he died. His horse died, and so he had to get off and do it by hand. Now we're gonna go check something out. Let's see what we can see now. They're, I think, as big as the world's tallest man. The world's tallest man, it goes up to his shoulder, not even to his head. We saw that. Look at the place. We saw the islands. Now we're gonna go check out what's in here. Look, most of the place got washed away. Where? A bird. Look at this. For some reason, it's all Ramses II praying. And then here's just some stickers for people put there. Let's go in here. Oh, it goes up. This one was bigger, but it's 2 people, 2 Ramses acts giving something. Now we're gonna go check something else. We're gonna go check another room out. Look, split end. 2 rooms. Let's first check this one out. Let's check out the other room. Sorry. It's still a god. Why are all these pictures of gods offering stuff? Just people offering stuff to God.
So, did you tell your friends how this temple was moved?
It was moved with a crane.
They made big blocks. And you can see here on the roof.
Hieroglyphics.
Yeah, but also here how it was cut. It's a block, right? A giant block. And then it was sawed back in again.
So the ancient Egyptian made this, but it collapsed and they tried to fix it.
Is that it was very close to the water and the water was flooding it. So to protect it from the flood,
They moved it.
the world got together and created this coalition of people that helped them move. And they chopped it into big blocks, 800 and something